ngingena ku-social media. Not now, yesterday. A lot of things have been happening yesterday. But ngithe angishicilele le VM as isexwayiso nje kulabo abantu abasha esizweni, emphakathini, nabemi abahlali namalungu omkhondo wesizwe jikelele. Bakithi akhe niyekeleni ukungabi na vision. Akhe niyekeleni ukuthengisa inhlanzi, ba selfish. Akhe niyekeleni ukucabangela izisu zenu, ningalicabangeli kusasa, ningacabangeli ngisho abantwana benu ukuthi uma selitshona ilanga kuwena uyoshiya ini kwifa labantwana bakho, beyingxenye yomphakathi, beyingxenye yesizwe. Uma wena uwenza izinto ezibhubhisa izwe, ezisibangela ukuthi sibuyele emuva, sihlale sijikeleze inhlango, singafiki la kumele siye khona, the instant gratification le eniphozesayo ngathi niloyiwe kuyothatha ini ukuthi phume kunina la ezingqondweni, khe niyeke ukungacabangi, nekucabanga ngezisu zebhiya, zisu zomkhaba webhiya ezilambileyo. Nikhe nicabange ngengqondo, nikhe nibe badala, because anikho bancinci, nibadala. You are adults. You need to be responsible adults. Nilahle ingqondo nomvalo, sibonele nomvalo, nilahle ingqondo yasekhampasini yoba irresponsible, nidakwa kuphela uba nifumene utshwala, that's it. Niyoqala nini ukuba ngabantu abadala aba-responsible? Hayi bakithi, ukuthengisa ngesizwe yiko lokho kubangela uba sibe sijikeleze endaweni eyodwa, singenamhlaba kuze kube manje into eniyaziyo nakukukhokelisa ii-titles nee-egos zenu uba mazipholisheke egameni loba mna ndingu-SJ, ndinamalungelo, ndine-authority, nywe. Nibe nitsho niluhlaza, because ulihlaza, sibonelo nomvalo. Into ephuma ngomlomo wakho ilihlaza. It doesn't matter ukuthi uhlose ini, ilihlaza. You don't mind how you put things, how you speak things. Wabahlaza from day one ugibele stage, just like uFloyd. Walihlaza ngathi awufundiswanga, ngathi awuswanga esikolweni. I-language, you don't speak. When you are in umkhonto wesizwe, you need to live the values zomkhonto wesizwe, zobuntu. Ubuntu ligama elimbaxa, yinto embaxa. It's not just igama, it's very broad. Key to ubuntu is humanity, it's respect, not just respect in terms of the titles, ismaphambili, prefix oyibekayo xa uthetha nabantu. Respect in terms of how you speak to people, how you regard people. When you are in umkhonto wesizwe, unikezwe uphathisiwe, because kuphathisa uthunyiwe ukuthi khawusibambele le ndima okwesikhathinyana. Lokho akukutsho ukuthi sowumdala, akutsho ukuthi sowazi ukudlula everybody. Akusho ukuthi manje sekumele ukhulume nathi ngathi ukhuluma estagini kwi-SRC e-university sibanibani. Udelele i-language, you mind your language. IsiXhoseni siyayifundisa inhlonipho. Awunawuthi awuyifundiswanga inhlonipho. Umzimkhulu for a long time it's been part of the Eastern Cape. Intsha into ibe i-under i-KZN. I-Eastern Cape mhlaba wabaThembu namaXhosa. Well, yeah. But isintu, indoda kwaXhosa, umntwana kwaXhosa uyayalwa, uyaqeqeshwa, not just corporal punishment, but inhlonipho. Fundiswa imbeko, ewe mama, hayi tata, sizwe, nkosi, bhuti, sisi. And xa uthetha awuthethi nje iwesi xa unikezwe istage, awumi nje estagini uthethe uvuthele utyhali ngathi nguFikile Mbalula. We understand uFikile Mbalula because uyinkwenkwe. Yinkwenkwe eyavela nje yathatha umfazi yachophisana. Elo siko walenzayo senomfazi ebanjwa ngoThoni Yengeni bemfaka emkhukhwini eKapa. Isiko angalazi ibali isiko laphi na engelo lakwaJola. Su behaving ngathi uyinzevu nomvalo. Into ephuma ngomlomo wakho ikrwada. Yilani anayiphinda ngomlomo wami amagama owathethayo. It's not wrong ukukhuza i-red carpet interview, but into ba udubizela amagama endingazuwaphinda mna, into ba asiyifuni ethenthene noboya, zintoni ezo zinto, bubukrwado bunjani obo. Wawungayalwanga kokwenu mhlazana wawusoluswa, ngoba ke wena ke wolusiwe ukhuliswe isiXhosa. Uthi mayiwajongwe njani lamadoda alalali ayekhona nezangcibi zazikhona zizoba ngamangqina zizokwenzela usiko zizokungenisa ebudodeni? Mabajongwe kanjani? Masijongwe kanjani thina sisizwe sabaThembu? Xa kukho lo muntu oma eplatformini athethe nje utyhatyiwe ngongathi yinzevu, hayi manayi, gada into ephuma ngomlomo wakho uyile. Esikolweni they teach you what they call diplomacy. Bathi abakwazi ukuthetha, diplomacy is the art of telling a person to go to hell in such that the person being told to go to hell, he looks forward to the trip. Because of diplomacy, politeness, indlela oyibeka ngayo into, the message still gets conveyed. But hayi into ba uthi xa uthetha xa kubafuneka sivale indlebe ngoku, asirhaleli nokumamela xa ukhwela eplatformini. Kuba into ephuma ngomlomo wakho ilusi ngathi inkwenkwe eqaba. Ilusi indelelo. You don't live the values zomkhonto wesizwe. Bantu abatsha khanifunde ukuhlonipha. Irrespect it's such a sacred thing. It's not a mistake into ba kuthiwe ezwini likabawo beka uyihlo nonyoko. Respect your father and your mother, not only your biological mother and father, which is parents, but anybody and everybody who is in the age group yokuba ungambiza umama, utata, umakhulu, utamkhulu, ubhuti, usisi. Irrespect, it goes a long way. Iqala apha ke kule nto ephuma emlonyeni, how you speak, how you present yourself, how you regard people that are not going to pay you or to give you anything in return for the respect that you give them or for the manner in which you treat them or you regard them. Irrespect is how you behave when you think no one is looking. Kanifunda ukuhlonipha, because ezi zinto nizenzayo zezinto zisibizela amashwangusha, zenza into okuba masihlale silapha sijikeleza siyisizwe singekakhululeki, singekabi namhlaba. We are all about the total liberation, and the total liberation begins and ends with umhlaba wethu uba ubuyele kuthi ezandleni thina sizwe abemi bomgquba kulo mhlaba, kweli lizwe. Not le jakalas dance eniyenzayo nibe nifuna ukuba popular, nibe nifuna ukuzibonisa uphula imuscle into yoba wena ungakwathini na. That is number one, respect. Number two, yekelani ukube nibhizi nidelela upresident. Ubaba uZuma umdala, besides ubudala, an elderly that deserve respect, he has done so much. He has sacrificed so much for the people of this country, and he still is. Yekelani ukumtreata ke ngathi yinkwenkwanyana yenu, nidelele nimdelele nje ningamboni ubusiciko seyiphi nimbiza. Yekelani ukudelela abantwana bakaJacob Zuma. Akazubaginya uJacob Zuma abantwana bakhe ababuyisele esiswini. Yekelani ucinga fani ba ilegacy kaPresident Zuma yeyenu, nizokwabelana ngelifa likaZuma engekabhubhi and engazubhubha futhi. Nicinge fani ba nina xa nisemkhondweni wesizwe nizothatha indawo zabantwana bakaZuma, zomndeni kaZuma, zamanqamalala. Yekelani ukukhompitha nabantwana bakaZuma namanqamalala and the family, the Zuma family at large in general. Nicinge fani ba nina i-mandate yenu kukuba manizowushifta apha, nizowushifta abantu abekade bekhona. Yekelani ucinga fani ba nizowususa abantu abawakhile lo mkhondo wesizwe. Amadela kufa, abantu bebeme noPresident Zuma long before, throughout. That is not your mandate. Sanukubuyisela esisizwe emva. Sanukusibuyisela emva. We have sacrificed so much. We have lost so many people. And I'm not only talking about before 94. I'm talking about now, after 2018. We have lost so many of our people. Abebe ingxenye yale Red Forces, abebe ingxenye yalo mkhonto wesizwe uze ube uvukile. But nina nicinga faniba ngoba ni recruitwe sithi, nibizwe sithi because sisebenzana noPresident Zuma. And we know i-calling anayo and i-purpose anayo engasuki emntwini wenyama esuka kumveli nqangi. nibizwe sithi sathi zani wozani sizwe, because senza what we are called to do. The next thing nina nicinga fanele xa nijoyina umkhonto wesizwe, you are there into yoba manisisuse nisithethe amagama nenzeni over and above the fact that you have killed our commanders, our comrades, our friends, our sisters, our brothers, our everything ebesinabo, ebesiloko sime nabo ngalo President Zuma. Esenizibona ngoku into yoba manishifte wonke umuntu, manim-atheke, manimenze, nicinga fanuba nizawumenza umkhovo ophilayo. Hell no. Not under our watch. Anizumenza umkhovo ophilayo nimsayinise izinto. It's not going to work. Get that in your head, in your thick heads. Angikhathali ukuthi nihamba iinyanga ezikuphi ezizigwagwisa ngantoni, nihlanganisa iinyanga zabo Mozambique nezabo Zimbabwe nezabo Congo nabo Shembe nemithi yabo Shembe. Whatsoever thing enizamayo, it's not going to work. What President Jacob Zuma has, the calling that he has, it does not come from umuntu wenyama. It does not come from idlozi. It comes from Mvelnqangi, from time immemorial. So noba ningayihambela kobhaka nize nibe niyithathela omax, niplanta omax toba mabathethe izinto batyabeke benze yonke laa tlakararha bayenzayo, because uMax was busy yesterday, very busy, and I know he's on a mandate. Wena ke sibonelo Nomvalo, njengoba unenhloko enkulu nje ekhenkceza umoya, because inkulu nje lo nhloko yakho ikhenkceza umoya, ayinalutho. Baza kusebenzisa ke njengoba sebeqale bayakusebenzisa abathoni yengeni nabangosinathi Nhleko, bayakusebenzisa bonke abantu bakazweli Mkhize, because they have to deliver to uZweli Mkhize. Otherwise uzababulala, because uyabulala. Uzababulala xa bengade bawudilive lo mkhonto wesizwe. Etsho ngoba yena uhlulekile. Basebenzisa wena ke ngoku. Not that bayakuthanda okanye bakuregada as somebody or important. They don't have regard for you. They are just using you for the SGO office, because they want to get their hands on the money. They want to deliver umkhonto wesizwe to ANC in a box, in a coffin. Wena kucinga fanuba bayakuthanda. When they are done with you mfana wami, they are going to kill you. Abazukudamba nje kuphela, they are going to kill you, bakuvala umlomo. They've already used you. Nawe wasebenziseka because unenhloko enkulu ekhenkceza umoya. You reap what you sow. They are going to kill you. Akadlala uZweli Mkhize. Bayamazi laba baseNatal. Akadlali, uyabulala. They are going to kill you. Uzawufa njengenja mntanami. Ubulawa ngabo kanye abantu basebenzelayo. Angeke ugqibe lo nyaka. Yabona xa sewulande noMakhanya bethatha izithombe, abathatha izithombe. uMax Makhanya kathatha izithombe nawe because uyakuregada ezintontoni. Uthatha isithombe nawe for into yoba ayobonisa, yoreport. Max Makhanya kumsebenzi wakhe yena kukumarketa qha, kuku-advertiser, whatever. He can do anything as long as uzamnikeza imali. Nangoku ke uplantiwe into yoba makazokhawuleza achithe ahlwayele le poison, ayinikiweyo egameni lakho ke Sibonelo Nomvalo. Nawe you've fallen into the trap because umuncu nithanda ipower, nithanda ipopularity, ningayifundi i-environment. Uzigwagwisa, hey, I've been to situations ezithen umncinci kangaka. You've been, what experience do you have? Uduthi uziqhelile intontoni. Anyway, my message to you is suka kule nto uyenzayo. Sowuthengisile enough, but mna ndiyinkosazana yabaThembu. What I am not going to tolerate and angithetheli mina ngindodwa, ngithethela isizwe. What I'm not going to tolerate is anybody ozawucinga fanba uzawudelela uJacob Zuma. You can do anything and everything, I will just look at you. But once wacinga fanba ke ngoku usewuzawungena udelela uJacob Zuma, ungene enkandla wenze ukungcola okwasemkhathini, noba uhambele phi ke umkhathi wakho uhamba wayokuthenga, hayi ke uzawuhlangana nembila zithutha. Lapho ngekhe ngithule, uzohlangana nembila zithutha, uzohlangana nembila zithutha. Ungakwenza konke lokhu, yonke enye into, but once waqala wakhomba laphaya, angekhe uwine mntanam, angekhe uwine. Uyinyathele emsileni, uyinyathele emsileni. Phuma kule nto yenzayo. Yayazi ukuthi wenzani nobani nini. Phuma. And Sibonelo Nomvalo, mangithi Sibonelo Nomvalo, ngikhuluma nawe, angikhulumi nawe kuphela as an individual, ngikhuluma nawe naba bantu oyenza nabo lento. Le group yakho enithembisene ngayo, nithembisene into enithembisene zona. Ndingumthembu mna futhi ndingumthembu noZwane.